Alright, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be today we're going to be going over my trades. Now today is Friday. Happy Friday to everyone. Capping off the week with another green day. Finishing every day this week above finishing every day of the week green. So yeah, let's get into this live trading session cuz it's going to go down. So as you can see, this is before market open. Reason being, there's no candles. There's no candles on the screen, so we're just going to skip this a bit until we get into my first position. So as you can see, I'm looking at Uber and I'm looking at Tesla. I clearly can see Tesla has huge potential huge potential to the upside. And why? It's because look at these green candles compared to the red candles. You can clearly see buyers are in control of this stock. And I was looking for position, which I would take later, which I end up taking later. So now I'm looking at BA. I'm looking at Boeing stock. It had wide spreads at one point, but I think I could have gone with my full 100 shares, but we'll see where we're gonna get filled in. Um, so I'm about to buy. I go in 90 shares. I want to see it hit the 50 on the ask. So we're right under. I'm starting to see buying pressure. We're hitting 50s, and boom, I get in. So my entry is 55, 5 cents late, no big deal. So now we're just looking to ride this stock. In a stock like this, you don't want to sell too soon. You want to let your shares ride. And what I'm looking here, to just give you some of my psychology, I'm looking for this 134 break. I want it to hold above this level, and I want to see 134 as act as a new support. So we're gonna see we're gonna see some we're gonna see me changing my share amount and then looking to take a partial eventually. We opened up with a nice green candle, and now I want to see pressure on the 134s. So as you can see, we got some ask on the 134s, and now we're holding it. We squeezed over, so now what I want to see is I want to see the bid step up over 134. We see the bid step up, up about 70 bucks at this point. As you can see, I went in 133.50. First partial is 134.50, or if I'm trying to hit 135.50, then we'll go from there. But so now, as you can see, we have a huge resistance at 135 level on BA. So now this is where I end up taking a partial. It ends up cracking 135 after, but I don't want to give away 50 cents in this case with not knowing if it's gonna pull back up there, So it already had 3 green candles. You don't know how big the red candle can be. So I just take a partial at this 135 level. And as you can see, we're going to let some shares ride. So we get this 135 level immediately after. As you can see, it's kind of holding up. Not too strong, but you're starting to see some bids at 135s. 135s is stepping in and holding it. You end up seeing 135s crack, so it pulls back. I'm still holding my shares, and now the thing is, I was gonna take this Tesla trade here. The reason why I didn't was because we had a morning resistance right here, and I was looking to take it more like right here. But now what I could have done to just like get myself into this trade is once it broke over the pre-market resistance, I could have had my entry here and my stop down to the support level. I think, but this is something I'm seeing after the fact. I didn't think this way during the day. I was looking to just get in right here, but at the same time, I was thinking it could have a lower high. But if I didn't let my mind kick in, the nice entry would have been 798, and then stop loss at like 794. But I mean, because I also knew you're gonna see a whole bunch of buying pressure, and I kind of anticipated this on Tesla. But so now we can clearly see BA has a 134.50 support level. It has a higher support. I'm making 27 bucks, 34 bucks on 20 shares, a little more than a point. And now I'm just letting my shares ride. Um I don't really want to watch it anymore. I have to move on. My eyes have to see something different. But look, now I was getting my shares ready right here. As you can see, I just started clicking, uh, bringing it up to 500. But the thing is, I had it on limit order. So I had it on limit order, and I noticed that right before. So it ends up cracking, I think, right before I'm able to buy. So you see, it went market, and then it pushed up 20 cents. So I mean, the entry would have been 200, 19.99. 199.80 would have been the entry, and I think this ends up going up like I don't even know, like 2 points by itself. So it would have been a 10-1 trade. Missed out on that trade though. All good, all good. I just laughed it off. Um, Now I'm just looking at Baba, seeing how much it went up without me. But now we're just looking for. Oh, okay. So here we go. I'm gonna show my losers as well because I'm that transparent. But look, we can see a 810 support. So we had an 805 support. We got rejected by this 815 once again. We're now supported by 810, and now I'm looking for a position here. Um, at like 815, I want to get filled in at 815s. So we touch 815, and I just sell out. I sell out because um, at this point I had my we can say like I don't think my stop was necessarily too tight, but I think in like like 10 trade scenario, um this would have I think this would have worked. Uh but yeah, I got stopped out there, so I guess my stop was too tight, so that's how I lost $100 there, 90 bucks there. But now I'm looking for a position on this Roku Roku trade right here. So as you can see, I'm taking about 180 shares. I'm risking about 50 cents. So I'm risking about 50 cents. Oh, no, no, no. Wait, what? No, don't tell me I get in it with 180 shares. All right, so I'm looking for this one where I just marked off this 129.50 level. Um, Tesla once again pushing up to this 815 level. If I had my stop wider, I would have hit it. But it only ends up going like $3 above, and it pulls right back down. So as you can see here, I just ended up taking 180 shares on Roku at this 129.50 resistance. I had a $1 stop, and now we're just seeing this. We're looking for that 130 break. So now we're getting the 130 break. As you can see, I'm up almost $100 now. Um, kind of closes with the ugly candle. Oh, so I'm up almost $200. But you're gonna see I get shooken out on this candle. Actually, I didn't even notice. So I'm up 240. I end up taking a partial there, but what it ends up doing is come back. It closed very low. It hold above 130, and it just had a continuation one. Um, so now I'm making $50 almost at. I mean, yeah, $50 on about 20 shares. I take another position on Tesla. It's holding 815. I want to see 815 hold, and then a continuation probably say 820. Um, but yeah, now we're getting another breakout on Roku. Getting another breakout on Roku. And we can see how my P&L fluctuates. I get stopped out of Tesla. I take this BABA 201 trade. Um, I only took 100 shares, and why I only took 100 shares was because I wanted my stop to be 50 cents. So my stop would have been 50 cents, and I would have took 200 shares, but it was kind of cracked under. So instead, I was like taking 100 shares, but risking 60, $70. So a little less than that. Um, but now we get this 201 break. Um, Now we're just riding, looking for the 201.50 break. We got the 201.50 break. Now we're looking for the 202 break. We get a rejection. Um, get a rejection. We end up cracking above and hitting my 2-to-1 target. So I was risking 60 cents. It hit the 202.20. So I hit my 2-to-1, but it like this was a millisecond that it happened, and it ends up kind of breaking its trend for the short term being, and I finished the day up $307. So yep, that's how I made $307 in less than an hour. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, this was my live trading session today, and yep, that's it. Till next time.